Hello people, so today is a Sunday and like all Sundays I tend to be slightly low and all of that. Now I need to go and clean my rabbit cage, but before that I have to say, this particular book I found it in Hyderabad. You have these near Necklace Road, these book exhibitions that happened in December, but I think it's been 2 years since it happened, I think. But yeah, I remember picking up this book, Master EK. It's about this gentleman who it's a very Guntur based this society, and this gentleman speaks about reaching that ultimate power through very through meditation and through understanding even astrology and things like that. So it's very mystical. It's one of the most mystical books I've come across. Like, it's called Master EK, the New Age teacher. You can Google him because I'm not sure if you'll find this book on Amazon. So anyway, this is already a 1 minute review, but it's been so long since I've been doing these reviews. Yeah, every day I just post these trip photos, videos, but these videos are also important. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.